taking into account you have spent most of your life in the UK, may I ask you how you rank the importance of GCSEs and acquiring a good position in the school after GCSEs? Okay, I like this question. And I think it's very relevant, right? So brother panel or sister panel is saying, the fact that I've been in the UK most of my time, how would I rank the importance of GCSEs about getting after school and stuff? So panel, the first thing that comes to my mind is, why are you asking me that question? Okay, because if you're about to do your GCSE exams, trust me, work hard, revise hard, like give it everything. Do not take it easy. As Muslims, we should be all about ihsan, which is having having high standards. And in Muslim mastery, we're developing the whole vision further now. We're saying ihsan is about having A stars, like having a very, very high standard. So if you're saying to me, like, I don't know, you might just be randomly asking this question, right? But if you're of the age that you're about to do GCSEs, because I know all these kids in the library are revising for them, then you need to smash it. There is no option except you doing amazingly well in your GCSEs. And there's a video, by the way, I made. It's called How I Got a First at University or something like that. And in that, I discussed some strategies of how to get a first and different techniques to try and improve your exam scores and stuff. So definitely check that out, right? So that's the general kind of thing I'll give you, because I don't want you thinking, oh, I don't need GCSEs and all that stuff. You do need them. If you're at that age, you're doing GCSEs, do them and do them well, inshallah, right? Right. Now, from my personal experience, it's a little bit different, okay? The reason why it's different is because I told you I lived here my whole life, except when I was a teenager, my family decided to go back and live in Pakistan for a few years, right? So while I was there while I was like 16, and 16 is when you take your GCSEs in the UK. So me personally, I didn't actually get a chance to do my GCSEs, okay? So I came back because in Pakistan, I was doing something called the O levels, and the O levels they do at like 17 or 18, right? It's the old version of the GCSEs. So anyway, I left Pakistan when I was 17. I came to the UK and I had zero qualifications. I had no qualifications at all. Okay, so this is a very tough thing for a 17-year-old to be in, but I'm sure that there's lots of 17-year-olds who have failed and done badly, and they have nothing, right? So when I came here, I had nothing, but I was very lucky because the education in Pakistan was actually very high quality, and it changed my perception of what's possible. And this is why I'm saying to you that you should smash it, because I believe every human being, unless you have like a specific disability when it comes to learning or whatever, like even then, I think you can smash your exams, right? And you have a few months to do that. So I think that there's so much you could do with that, with high standards. So I had a different mindset. I was thinking that, now when it comes to exams, I can smash them because I failed. I failed everything in Pakistan except English and geography. And when I got back to the UK, I was like, now I'm going to smash it, right? And Alhamdulillah, I did. I went away. I did something called GMVQ, which is, people on the course, they would say going nowhere very quickly. That's what it's standard for, right? And it was just like a really, really like a vocational course. I did it in business. I got a distinction in that. I did an advanced version of it. I got a distinction in that. Then I did GCSE maths because I had to get maths to get to university. So I did it just for that. I did an English thing as well. And then I got to university, and alhamdulillah, I got a first at university as well. So like, I think GCSEs for me, in fact, they weren't actually that important because I didn't have to do them, but my circumstances were different because I got to uni through the international kind of English that I had and mathematics and stuff. So work hard, man. Work hard, give it your all. Do not take shortcuts. This is the age for you to study, and this is the age for you to be great, and this is your foundation, right? I remember I used to go to college, and college was like a really like relaxed environment. But I remember I'd do college the whole day, and I kind of organized it so all my lessons were only on 2 days of the whole week. So I would kind of go college on Tuesday nights and Thursday, Tuesday, both days full, right? So I'd go college from 9 till like 5. I had lectures, and then at 6 o'clock at night, I had to go to a maths GCSE class because I didn't have GCSEs. So every single Thursday, I think it was 6:30 to 9:30 with all these old people, because at that time I was like a teenager, with all these old people. They were all doing math, and it was very, very difficult to kind of like go in that environment at night. So if you've got a chance to do your GCSEs, do them properly now. May Allah bless you. May Allah make it easy for you. May Allah give you A stars. Ameen.